Hey guys, Annie here from the Humby Rose channel, and today I'm going to be fixing slimes. Okay, so first up, give me 1 second, I'm clearing my table. So first up, I have this pretty pink slime that has like miniature foam beads in it, but I actually found the rest of today. So yeah, and yeah. I'll put it up here for you guys. Supplies. That rhymed. Alright, so I'm thinking about dyeing it purple. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry about that. That's my mom. Ask me questions about my nail. So, here we have the slime, and first, it needs more foam beads. So, the foam beads are actually right here by you guys. So I'm just gonna dip her in. Mix in all these foam beads, because I kind of want the foam beads to get everywhere when I put up my slime. I know most people don't want that, but I have, I kind of want them to fall out a little bit, because then it makes it more fun. Sorry you guys can barely hear me, my microphone's not working very well. So yeah. A little bit more. Just pressing those in. Buddy. My dog's right here, just adorable. My dog is so cute. Look at this. Look at this cute little thing. Oh my goodness. Hi. Say hi to the Honey Bear Rose channel, B. He's gonna be mad at me. I don't know. As you can see, it makes a really nice texture. This slime just has a nice texture in general. Excuse me. Excuse me, you're messing with my video. Leave. Leave. Thank you. It's gonna come back. Know it. And now I'm gonna dye my slime blue to make it purple. I love purple. And pink. And blue. And green. But I mostly love neon colors. Neon orange isn't my favorite, but I do like neon. Almost any neon color I will love. It's too bad that I don't have a P.O. box. Then I could ask you guys to send me stuff like bad slimes so that I could fix them, but yeah. I can't because my parents won't let me have a P.O. box, and I'm also not really old enough for that, so yeah. Yes. It's finally getting somewhere. I'm gonna add one more drop of blue. I love how the food coloring just like travels a lot. Sorry guys, I have a song stuck in my head. Comment down below if you want me to make a singing video. I love singing, but I get a little uncomfortable around other people. So that's why videos are more how do I say it? they're more functional for me. I don't know why, but they are. No, one more drop of blue. I think that's the last. I think that's enough blue for now. I might dye it more later on. I want it to be more of a darker purple. Just not getting there. Yeah, I officially put too much foam beads. Oh well, they're nice. They're a nice thing to go to. I actually fixed this slime earlier. Like consistency wise, it was like a super terrible gooey slime that wasn't fully activated anymore. Because I've had this slime for like a long time, like probably like a year. So yeah, I should have done it 1 year versus 1 day. Yeah, but I didn't, and I regret it. I need water. Has water here? Yes, I do. Ah, that was a lot. That was a lot. That was a lot of dang nabbit. It's probably gonna fall off on my carpet. I know, guys, I know. It's not a smart idea to have carpet in the room where you put the slime. I can't really do it anywhere else though, because, well, I have a family, 5 people, and only me and my brother have Minecraft. YouTube channels. He has a Minecraft channel and a Fortnite channel. All I know is there's like Jeff does Minecraft and then Jeff Games probably. Not really sure. I forgot what the Fortnite one, or it's Minecraft. Wait, no, maybe it's just gaming. I don't remember, guys. I'm sorry. I have terrible memory. I'm crazy. I'm adding more and more and more and more and more and more. But yeah. So I'm about to be done, guys. I know I said I'd stop with the food dab, but seriously, it's not dark enough for me. Well, after a lot of kneading, it's finally done. So guys, this is my slime. It's super nice, super stretchy, and I adore it. So I'm going to put it in my container that I have with me. It's just so simple. 3-compartment container. On to the next slide. I'll be right back. Okay, well guys, I only have time to do one more. So here it is. I have this tiny little bottle with some slime in it, and let me tell you guys, it has that kind of like spice-ish, super nice texture. It has shaving cream in it, but it's old and it needs a makeover. Not as stretchy as it could be. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna add a little bit of Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, moisturizing cream to it, like a dollop. I actually kind of like this color, but I think I'm gonna dye it blue. I know I'm being kind of boring and basic, but seriously, like blue and this like mint green color. It makes like a super pretty blue. So yeah. I'm also gonna add foam beads into it, but I'm gonna do that last. Drop a food dye. Oh my goodness, guys, this is gonna be so pretty. And like this food dye is like super pigmented. It's the McCormick brand. So I'm gonna have food dye on my hands probably for like the next week. Unless I find a miracle soap. But on the bright side, this color is gorgeous, guys. Oh my gosh. Like, look at that. Super pretty. It's not even a cayenne color anymore. And I'm not talking about the spice, guys. I'm talking about the greens. I'm honestly not even sure if that's how you say it. It's spelled like C-Y-A-N. It's weird. Adding the foam beads, and then it's done. And there you have it. Super nice mix of butter and a foam bead slime. Yeah, there we go. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.